We got another update on the birds. They're growing, getting big. I think the black ones are gonna be going outside this week. The other ones got a little bit more time just to get some more feathers before they go out. But it's almost that time. The black ones will be outside probably by the weekend. And then another week or so, they'll all be out there running around free in the yard. Won't be long, they'll be laying eggs. Hope everybody has a good night. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.